Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing and test of a tool that will take my woodworking projects to the next level. The Vevor 5-gallon vacuum chamber with a 3.5 CFM single stage pump. Alright, let's see what we've got inside the package. Vevor usually provides a well-packaged kit, so let's go through our parts. This is the vacuum chamber, which is made from stainless steel with a tempered glass lid. It's designed to handle strong vacuum pressure without warping. Inside we have a strong vacuum pump. This is a single stage 3.5 CFM pump. It's compact and should be powerful enough for stabilizing wood. Inside we also have hoses and connectors. Oil bottle, very important. The pump does not come with oil pre-filled, so we need to add it before turning it on. If you run the pump without oil, it will get damaged. You see here that is no oil in. And here is a pressure gauge. Show the vacuum level inside the chamber. This is also the rubber gasket and fittings for securing a tight seal. One silicone pad. This silicone rubber gasket, you have to put it on a tempered glass lid. And let's do that. Inside you also have a sealing tape and user manual. I will now assembling the vacuum chamber and connecting the pump. So you have one rubber sealing for up and one for down to really seal the chamber. And don't tighten it too much. That's okay. In the package you also get a filter that prevents dust from passing through. Now I will fill the oil which is necessary for the pump to function. You have to add oil to the middle of this window, so that is okay. And when pump operates, you have to remove this exhaust tip or exhaust cover. I think that we have to add some sealing tape on this part, and let's do that. And now we can attach a hose. In package you also receive this screwdriver. Now is the moment of truth. Let's power up the vacuum pump and see if we can pull a proper vacuum. So far, so good. Let's see if there is any leaks. So far everything looks great. The pump is working smoothly and the chamber is holding vacuum properly. For the first attempt, I will place a plastic cap with the top water in the vacuum chamber and see if it will draw the air out of the water. This is very impressive. Here you can see how bubbles are forming, which means that the air is being removed from the water. That's great. So after testing the Vevor vacuum chamber and pump, here is what I think. It's solid setup for stabilizing wood at great price. The pump runs smoothly, the chamber seals very well, and it does exactly what I need it to do. Next time I will be using this stabilized walnut burl wood and make a handmade fountain pen. So if you want to see that project, make sure you are subscribed. In my future videos I will also stabilize this burl poplar wood in this vacuum chamber and with this pump, so stay tuned that you see how beautiful is this wood. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and testing. If you're into woodworking, resin casting or tool reviews, or you are a wood turner, Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried stabilizing wood? What projects would you use a vacuum chamber for? Let's chat below. Also check out the description for all the links and special 5% discount code on your next purchase. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.